Thanks for your setup. Part 52. These are reversible octopus plushies from Tea Turtle, and they're the cutest way to display your mood anywhere you like. I got mine in the pink and purple combo and the heart and broken heart combo. You can display these on your desk when you pull a character you want or don't want in the game you're playing, or when you just want another little friend while exploring a new map. They come in so many color combos, so there's definitely a plushie that'll match your own set of theme too.
Amazon travel gadgets I am in love with. Y'all, I hit the jackpot with this one. I don't know about you, but I'm an extremely hot sleeper and I always find myself needing a fan when traveling. I found this floor fan that stands over 3 feet tall. It's cordless and folds down completely so it fits into my suitcase. It comes with a remote control so I can operate it from a distance and has 4 different wind speeds to choose from. Random Amazon gadgets you need. Okay, hear me out. This is literally the coolest Bluetooth speaker ever. It actually splits into 2 separate speakers. They both have their own volume control and you can take them to different ends of the house for a surround sound feel. You can Bluetooth connect to it from 33 feet away and it's water resistant so it can be submerged under a meter of water for up to 30 minutes without taking any damage.
This is part 362 of 365, and here are 5 things that solve everyday problems. If you're tired of water splashing everywhere, this faucet extender rotates 720 degrees and will allow you to wash your face, hair, and mouth more conveniently. If you're often stressed because you can't find your keys, this tracker comes with 6 receivers that with up to a 100-foot range will allow you to never lose your things again. If you're tired of your car constantly overheating from the sun, this Carbrella opens and closes easily and allows your car to stay cool. If you hate struggling to carry all of your groceries, this click and carry gadget can fit up to several bags at once. It can even be carried over your shoulder. And if your flimsy headboard makes too much noise, these headboard stoppers will fill that gap and prevent any noise from taking place. Amazon products you need or don't? Here's a kitchen gadget that solves a common problem. Anyone else hate when you crack your eggs and all the yolk makes a mess and the eggshells end up inside the pan? This is the Crack'em Egg Cracker. It contains a raised edge so when you crack your eggs it produces the perfect opening. You can now easily make eggs without making a mess. It's amazing for cooking with kids and it even serves as a spoon rest as well. So is this something you need or don't?
Come unbox our Flex-at-Home Bid It with us. Cleansing water, adjustable spray pressure and position, air dryer, heated seat, and wireless remote. Super easy to install and not bulky at all.
Amazon Kitchen Favorites. This lid pocket fits right onto your crock pot to hold your lid, keeping your countertops clean and your hands free to stir, season, or plate the food. This air fryer cheat sheet tells you the cooking time and temperature of the most popular foods to air fry and magnetically attaches to any part of your air fryer or refrigerator. And these stackable super cubes freeze food in perfect portions for meal prepping and storing chili, soups, and stews. These containers are both dishwasher and oven safe to use. Link in bio to shop. Amazon Car Favorites. If your drink doesn't fit into your cup holder, you need this cup expander in your car. It works with most popular brands for drinks 18 to 72 ounces, and it securely holds onto your drink. Remove dust, pollen, smoke, and bad odors from your vehicle with this car purifier. It plugs into your car outlet and it's ready to use and it really works. Link in bio to shop.
Amazon Products You Need Part 211 of 300 is an ultra-slim HD movie projector, integrated with Android TV and Google Play Store. Comes with effortless voice control and over 5,000 apps including Prime, Hulu, and Disney+. Amazon Products You Need Part 209 of 300. This is an under-bed storage container. Forest fabric container is durable and super versatile. Perfect for clothes, blankets, shoes, or pretty much anything.
I bought it so you don't have to, part 12.
Okay, so I've been seeing this little box all over my FYP and naturally I had to get one. That little heart on the front spins whenever you get a message from your boo thing, your bestie, or even just your mom. Literally anyone in your life can download the app and send you customizable messages. You can change the color, add stickers, or even just straight up draw on the screen. You can even send pictures and change the color of the heart on the front of your box.
Stuff on the internet you might actually need. This is my iron I found on Amazon that's just so cute and little. It comes with a little carrying case plus this spray bottle, and it only takes a few minutes to get hot and cool down. We have loved using this because it's impossible to keep clothes looking good when you travel, and it's always nice for some quick ironing. This screen protector claims to be so easy to put on that I'm going to put it on with a blindfold, and all you have to do is clean the screen, which I've already done, then place the mold on the phone and press it down. They have options for iPhone 11 and up, and I cannot believe how easy that was to put on. That's incredible. Did it work? This is a little toilet robot that will make it so you never have to scrub your toilet again. Just place it on the back, take out this tube, and then replace it with the ones that it comes with. And it's designed to stay away from the seal so that way it doesn't corrode anything, which is super good for your toilet's health. Once it's installed, pop in the filter and you're good to start flushing.
Random things I got off Amazon Beauty Edition. This Polish Choice exfoliate saved my skin and it made it so smooth, especially because I struggled with little bumps and pores. Now try this if you want the smoothest lips ever. I use this every night. I'm obsessed. These are some of my favorite makeup brushes that I use every single day. They're Real Techniques. Plus they're so soft I can't even describe it, and I just feel like my makeup looks better when I use them. I don't know why. This perfume smells so good. It literally just smells like happiness on vacation, and it lasts all day, which I love. And speaking of perfume, I need to smell good or I get super insecure, so I got these little travel size perfume bottles so I can throw them in my backpack and my purse. And I got some teeth whitening strips. These have been my favorite lately. I swear they really do work. And it's super easy. You just put them on your top and your bottom teeth and you let it sit for 30 minutes. This lip plumper is insane. I have never seen any of them that works this well. It stings a little bit at first, but then you start noticing and your lips look so much bigger. It's crazy. And of course this hair oil that makes my hair super soft and silky, and I just think it's so nice. Okay, bye.
2 new different products you need to check out. The first one is our acne clearing body scrub, which will not only treat but also prevent acne on areas like your back, shoulders, and chest. It's formulated with AHA and BHA actives, so it packs a mighty punch while still being gentle enough for daily use. Second is our daily brightening exfoliator. It's formulated with a dual action exfoliator to help even out tone, texture, and clarity. This is perfect for post-acne scars and dark spots.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know? How would they know? How would they know? I can.
Amazon kitchen favorites. First up are these garlic peelers. All you do is put in the garlic cloves, roll it around until the peel comes out, and you're left with perfectly peeled garlic. Secondly is this one-touch can opener. You just press the button and it does the rest for you. It also stops automatically once it's done, leaving behind a smooth edge on the can.